Good afternoon. Well, baby's box from the Jackpot winner got here today. So, razor knife. Little monster is in his cage because the light to the ceiling fan is the only other bright light that I have at the moment. So, we're just gonna have to do it without him, which kind of sucks, but we'll manage. And I know Claire and the way that she packs, the Jackpot winner, I went to Kazoo Bird. So let's take a look. Ooh, lots of packing paper. This is gonna be fun. First off, Worldly Cuisines Moroccan Cafe, a big bag of it. This is one that I know that he'll eat real well. Rody Bush, the small pellets. Ooh, there's a little package in here. Baby, are you watching? I have a pretty good idea. I know what this is. Birdie bagels and tennis shoes. Birdie bagels, a tennis shoe, and another toy. Oh, Nutriberries. I'm going to get back into toy making for him. And in tune for cockatiels. He's going to have so much fun with this. Because what I'm going to do for this little tennis shoe is I'm going to put a treat inside the tennis shoe right here. And then he can go after it. But the biggest thing of all that is out of this is a birdie backpack for him. I want to be able to take him out on the porch without having to worry about him hitting the screen. I've been waiting all day for this. I'm just trying to get this open carefully. This will be his outdoor cage. Once I pry it out of the bag here, it'll be big enough for him to go in and be comfortable and have a seat. So I just gotta find where the zipper is. Zipper, zipper. Of course I'm looking. Gotta open here someplace. There it is. On this side, I think. Wow. Gotta open here somewhere. Whoa! It's got stuff rolling around. That's the perch. There they are. Okay. Anytime that we have had to go outside or been going outside, he's had to go in his old cage and he hates it. This will be his new place to hang out. And we have a perch rest. Find the zipper here. The perch rest, and it sits in two different places. Actually, this is his Christmas present from Mom. Oh, Claire, I am so happy to be one of the people that got the $100 jackpot. You'll never know how much this means. He'll have food for quite a while. He's going to have a bunch of new toys to play with. And he's going to learn how to be transported in this. Thank you, Avian Avenue. Thank you to Kazoo Bird. Thank you to all. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I hope that everybody has a wonderful weekend. Thank you again. Bye.